Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Kia Optima. First, ensure both vehicles are in park or neutral and turned off. Gather your jumper cables, safety gloves, and eye protection. Position the assisting vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Safety is paramount before you begin any connections. Now, let's connect the cables correctly and safely. Take one red clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead Kia Optima battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. This establishes the positive circuit, ensuring a proper flow of power for the jumpstart. Always double-check your connections. For the final connection, attach the black clamp from the good battery to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Kia Optima's engine block, away from the battery. This creates a ground. Now, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, try starting your Kia Optima. Once your Kia Optima starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the black clamp from the ground point, then the black clamp from the good battery. Next, remove the red clamp from the good battery, and finally, the red clamp from your Kia Optima. Let your car run for at least 15 minutes to recharge. Check the description for deals on reading devices and other helpful links. This helps ensure your battery gets a good charge before you drive off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.